Hello. Hold on a second. Is it up on stream? It's not. Why is it messing up? Curious. Curious. Okay, well I won't worry about it too much, but it's gotta come back up before I can actually get in on it. Pull this back up. There we go. I can actually see. Okay, we're coming back up here, which is good because we're about ready to start. Just about. Okay. Alright, so what do we got here? We're going to take a look at the notes. It's about consistent wins and focus. That's right. Even if it's quick, it is not about continuation. It's not Friday or Monday. The play is ultimately for the next part. The next part profits if we're going to take it. And we're not going to enter a trade without consulting every step of the guide, because when it's 89% trades, all we got to do is chill and follow it. So, how many green versus red bars? I've already kind of done this off screen, but as you can see, huge gap down here, so it's a lot of red going on. Yep, from there, a lot of red going on right here, intraday. There's one red right here, two reds right here. We got two greens almost that are starting to form. So yeah, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 reds versus 4 greens on the 5, so that's more red in more recent times. And downturning on the MACD, of course, for all of them, most of them. And then yeah, we got another one. So this could be an entry bar if it's sufficiently large. Right here, and it closes with some momentum. So let's see what delta this is. 7-6 delta is not bad. 7-6 delta is not bad. Market. This might be our entry. Potentially. Any bar that forms right here with good momentum, like any red bar, is going to be my entry for sure. And that is sufficiently large. It's going to be my entry. Yep, we've covered the CCI. CCI is not oversold yet. And the color streak is pretty good. Starting close to the 20. Where's my price pull-out point? Price pull-out point's going to be when it goes oversold, most likely. Alright, are we getting some momentum here, or what? quite the momentum I was looking for. Yeah, not quite the momentum I was looking for. Though there was a lot of volume right there. Yeah. Not quite the momentum I was looking for. Definitely can work still, but just not the entry I'm looking for. Yeah. Wish it was. But it's just playing itself out over multiple bars, it seems. And it just went oversold again. Hasn't gone oversold in the 5 minute yet. Yeah, there's that. This bar's reversing already, huh? Where's the momentum? Where's the momentum? Did we close with some momentum? No, right? Well, yes, but also... Oop. Also, it just hit a third bar, so it could do a little bit of a reverse right here to try to go back up some, yeah. Anticipating that. So it did reach a lower low, so the next one with momentum that starts near the 20 is the one I'm going to take for sure. Once it comes back up for a second. 1, 2, 3, 4. Of course, it could be trying to start a trend change. I don't know, but it could be the case. Potentially. We'll see. We'll see and then watch for entry. Realistically though, for all intents and purposes, I'm gonna take a red play. Just because that's kind of the culture where we're at right now. As far as like every single chart. Yeah, a red play is definitely a bread and butter. Right here. Especially because it hasn't gone that far down yet. But it could bounce off of a support level, the previous support level. Oh, is that some momentum right here? I think that was a previous support level right there. Oh, and it held, didn't it? Looks like it. Maybe. Hard to say. But I'm not seeing the momentum I want to see. Yeah, if we zoom out here. Well, not necessarily a support level, but the day it closed, so 602 was one. Oh, do we hit something? Okay, no. And down here, yeah, so like the low 602s. Yeah, so like 602s are pretty strong. Like on the 602 area as a support level, from what I'm understanding here. As far as a previous support. Is this the 5 minute chart? Not necessarily interesting yet. 1 minute, not necessarily interesting either. So I shall wait, because the bar that I'm looking for is coming. I just don't know when. Not yet, at least. Back at the notes. So if it's a red play, where's my pullout point? Most likely when it goes oversold on the 1 CCI and the 30-second CCI on the preceding bar, or on the 5 minute potentially, but not actually. Yeah, not on the 5. It's really wishy-washy right now. Yeah, we're getting a lot of wishy-washiness. Hopefully we can get some momentum though. Outdated joggers. I'll have to look into that. Price action on these looks interesting. To say the least. We may end up having to get like a couple of these actually. 4 of these instead. When the momentum does hit. Because the price action on these is like going up to like the 190s on the 605s. I think we're gonna get a big bar soon. Still playing around this 620 area. There we go. Breaking through. Now that wasn't a big bar. But it did break through. This bar about to close red. Maybe. I don't like how slow it is. I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm still waiting for an entry. That's the thing. I'm still looking for an entry bar. I know as soon as I enter on a bad one, it's going to show me the one I want, so I'm just going to wait for the one I want. It's 2:15 minutes. hopefully it can push back up towards the 20 so that we can slam down with a big red bar that precedes it. So there's a big green bar right here. Big green bar right here. Now if it pokes through and closes, I could actually take this one if I wanted to. Albeit it would be very short. Be a very short trade, given the trend. Mm-hmm. It would have to be because it's going against the trend. It would have to be very short. Oh, there's that. Okay, so we got that big green one. Okay. Now, do we get a big red one? Do we get a bigger red one? If we get a bigger red one, then my friend, that is the entry bar. If we get a bigger red one, that's the entry for sure. Hasn't shown that it wants to do that yet. Still looks bullish. There's been some interesting price action. Okay, now if we get an even bigger green one right here that crosses through, we may just have to enter on the green side. Is it going to turn around right here? I wonder. It most certainly could. Whoa, a lot of volume there on that bar, and it was very small. So maybe the direction is going to be up. I wonder. A lot of volume to keep it from going below that. A lot of selling. So I'm predicting this bar is going to fly above the 20 and then close. That's what it kind of looks like it might do. Because that was a small bar for all the volume it had. The same volume as over here, pretty much. When it was actually selling. A lot of volume for it to go nowhere. A lot of resistance against the price dropping. Potentially. Let's take a look. Low, high, higher, low, lower, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, around the same low, but technically a lower low, lower, high, lower, low, higher, high, higher, low. So maybe we go to a higher high here. Let's see. Looks like it can. Looks like it definitely could. Yeah, okay, so if it crosses past and then closes above this, I'm definitely buying a green. 100%. Definitely. So it goes above 45. Yeah, it crosses and goes above 45 and closes. Definitely buying on the green side, for sure. Okay. Zooming up there. Oh, it crossed above it. Well, will it stay above it? It did actually finish above it. If this 5-minute bar closes above 2, that could signal an uptrend. So we got 1 minute. Okay. Maybe time to switch it up. Yeah, I'll switch it up for this one. Okay then. Okay. And that was the 5-minute too. Yeah, that was the 5. It's the next like target area, kind of. Of course, I could always dip right now. Did it go oversold? Or overbought, I mean. Technically, it didn't start the process of overboughtness yet. Did it go above it? No, it didn't. Not yet. Looks like it wants to, though, for sure. Alright, so next time it goes over, but we'll do it. they're so wild for that. There we go, making it up quickly. That's what I think is going to happen. I think it's going to be made up pretty quickly. Hopefully. There we go. There we go. There we go. Running back up. Yeah, because it looks like a genuine change of direction. Yeah. Looks like a genuine trend change here. Yeah, so this like run back up makes sense because it did look like a genuine trend change. Especially with the amount of resistance that it faced at the bottom there. Yeah, for sure. $100%. Alright, there we go. Yeah, so we got a great bar right there. Genuine trend change, and now we watch. That was a good 5-minute bar right there. I think it's going to come back up towards the 20, so we'll watch up here. That may be my price target is close to the 20 here. Oh, it's already hitting it, kind of. It's oversold. Is it oversold there? Not technically, but take that. What is that? 11? Yikes. It was like 24 and now it showed 11. I'm a little bit upset about that. But profit is still profit, so 11.69. Okay, 2% about roughly. Okay, well that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed, my friend.